up, guys? Thanks for checking out my channel and watching my video. It's almost New Year's, and if you're a good Southern boy, you know what's got to happen on New Year's Day. You have to have two things, black-eyed peas and cabbage. I looked up the tradition of this. It's supposed to bring you prosperity for the upcoming year. And there's two trains of thought. One of them is that it's a Jewish tradition dating back thousands of years, and it was brought to southern Georgia by Jewish immigrants, and that's how it got its foundation in the South. There's also a school of thought that says that during the Confederate War, when Sherman ransacked the Confederate Army, he left them with black-eyed peas and pork, and they felt very lucky to have that, and that became a sign of wealth for them. Hence, if you eat it on New Year's along with cabbage, you have prosperity for the year. Take it with a grain of salt. Anyway, this is my recipe for black-eyed peas. I do it in an Instant Pot, which I call it an Instapot all the time, but it's Instant Pot. Takes about 17 minutes to cook. I really like them. It doesn't have the traditional black-eyed pea taste. It's really good, though. Give it a try, see what you think. Put your comments down below. If you know any news stories about the tradition of the black-eyed peas and cabbage, I'd love to hear it. Put your comments down below. Enjoy the recipe, and you guys have a happy New Year. All right, on the Instant Pot, we're going to set it to saute. And let that heat up. To that, you're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to add 1 small onion, 1 small bell pepper, and about 2 ribs of celery. We're going to saute that on the saute setting until it's somewhat clear. All right, your onions, bell pepper have all sauteed. They're somewhat translucent. To this, we're going to add our seasonings. That's going to be 2 bay leaves, about a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of salt, and about a tablespoon of paprika. Stir that together. All right. To that, you're going to add 3½ cups of chicken broth. You're going to add about 1¼ cup of black-eyed peas and stir that together. Make sure everything goes down. Now we are going to add, we saved the bone out of the Christmas ham, so we're going to throw that in there. That's it. Put the lid on the pot and lock it into place, making sure that the valve is where it should be and sealed. All right, we are going to set this on regular pressure cook for 17 minutes. For firmer beans, for softer beans, about 14 minutes if you want a firmer bean. But we're going to do 17 minutes. All right. Pressure is going to be high. Delay is none. Keep warm is going to be off. And hit start. And there it goes. We'll see you in 17 minutes. All right, guys, the timer has gone off. We are going to just cancel it. and let it set for 15 minutes. Don't do the quick release. We're going to let it, the pressure release naturally for about 15-30 minutes. All right. Double check that the pressure is gone by pushing the release valve. And there's your black-eyed peas. And we're going to take the bone out and pull some of the meat off and put that back inside the black-eyed peas. Let's scrape it off right there. And you do want to take out the bay leaves, if you can find them. I can't find them. Okay. There's one bay leaf. All right, we want to taste for seasoning. That's it, guys. Black-eyed peas. Happy New Year. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up for the video. Give me some ideas. Sure, just shoot me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. You guys have a Happy New Year.